What's up, everyone? How you doing? It's Tuck here, and I've got something stuck to my finger. That's all right. Have you ever wondered how charts work? And I'm gonna try to say this the best way I can, and maybe I'll draw up the picture and you'll see it backwards. But with me talking and explaining it, you'll understand it maybe more, or I'll draw it backwards. But I'm gonna show you why I wonder a stock can go along like this, and then something like that, and then do this. Oh, I did it. Looks like a big, there's no phallic symbol in this. All right, but that's AMC today. AMC today broke its 5-year history mark. That's right, it did. And I'm dead serious. I have a share. I think one share. And I bought it at 27 bucks because I heard of a video that it's only going up from here up. From most likely with the way everything's set up, with all the people that have bought the options and expiration dates, that's why AMC went up 41% today. 41% today? I just took some screenshots off of my phone. I can't bring them up and do a video, but looked at it 1 year ago, and then 3 months ago, and the percentages are retarded. Like, one was like 252% in that span of time. The other one was like 600 and something percent. This, like, I just have this weird, strange feeling that, like, underlyingly, the show business industry is trying to get up on their feet with whatever help they can. Maybe specifically AMC, because maybe most people relate to AMC theaters. I don't know. I'm just throwing out thoughts, but the power of shorting a company, and then when your term expires, and I do not know it, nor do you know. Also, I do not condone doing the options because it's too risky, but you can participate in it by just buying a share and seeing what happens. It's much safer. That's my opinion. But it's Monday, and AMC is at $37. 5 years ago, AMC was $34. And 5 years ago from till today, it's been on a downhill, all the way down to the lowest you've seen AMC throughout this GameStop. And that's how people have been making tons of bucks. And now they're letting it just ride back up. And everyone's going to buy it. I don't know. Check it out. Look at what I'm talking about on the graphs. I want to do a live video stream somehow, if I can figure this out, and create a Patreon account, so maybe I can get some help funding getting that software to show you guys the stocks that I'm talking about. You know how the other YouTubers do it, and they have the screen with the computer, and they go, oh, look at this and that, and going to whatever. That's going to be me, but I don't have the cash to buy the software, so I need to get a promo, I don't know. But I hope you guys have a great day, a great night. You might hear from me later today. You might not, but I don't know if you even care. But keep your eyes on AMC if you're still listening and watching. That was the cookie right there. GameStop, I feel like, is kind of cooling off, but they're both kind of wah, 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 wah. I know that's not professional, but I kind of want to come across not as like a super professional, but professional. Anyways, enough of me and more of you. I love you guys. Thank you for your love and support by watching my videos. Even those of you that don't like me, thank you for viewing my videos and your comments. I love them. You know, every view is a count towards me. So thank you.